Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking the provider and plan so you pay only for what you need. Once chosen, add a valid payment method, card or PayPal, and enter the billing address exactly as on file. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled to protect billing changes, and apply any promo code before checkout. Also verify tax settings and whether you want monthly or yearly billing. This affects price and refund windows. Proceed to the provider's billing or upgrade page to begin the transaction. You'll now enter the payment details and review the charge breakdown. Input card number, expiry, and CVV, or choose a saved payment method. Once done, pick monthly or yearly billing and apply discounts. Make sure the subtotal, taxes, and any prorated charges are visible so you know what you pay today. If you want fewer interruptions, enable auto-renew, otherwise set a calendar reminder. Finally, preview the invoice and confirm the purchase so the storage quota updates immediately. You finish by confirming the transaction and validating access to the new storage. Once the purchase completes, open the confirmation email and download the invoice PDF. Make sure your quota reflects the upgrade. If the charge fails, check card limits, address mismatches, or 3D secure prompts, and retry or try a different method. If problems persist, contact provider support with your invoice ID and screenshots. They can resolve billing, holds quickly, and restore access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.